My name is Pratik Naik and I'm from class 12th, and this is my class 12 CBSE project. I'm going to be speaking about homework. Homework is homework is something that a few kids dislike, usually because it is something that they don't like doing at home. It's because they feel like they want to sleep or play or watch TV. They dislike homework for these certain reasons, that they feel it's a burden on them. But some kids, they like homework. They like doing homework and wait for it. They look forward to doing homework. And they feel that it is necessary for them to achieve academic success. And they understand the need for homework. My personal thoughts about homework is that it can it is good for the child, and it is good for the child as long as the child can cope up with it. The teacher should be careful that they do not stress out the children by giving them too much of homework, as this can lead to a feeling of having a burden on them. So now I'm going to speak to a few students and a teacher about their thoughts on homework. And I'm currently speaking to teacher Danica, my psychology practical teacher. Hello teacher.
Hi Pratik, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
And I would love to hear your answer about it.
Thank you.
So what do you think is the need for homework?
I think homework is very important because it covers two basic points. One is revision of whatever has been covered by the teacher in class, so the children get to go home and revise whatever they have been taught. And also it prepares them for the next day, that is whatever the teacher will teach. Sometimes questions that teachers give for homework cover syllabus which they will teach later, so the children are already prepared when they are taught in class about the same.
And what do you feel about homework given to the children without your supervision?
I think the whole concept behind homework is that the teacher can assess where the child stands in class and also the child's knowledge, rather than the child relying on the teacher. If it's done in class, the child often turns to the teacher and asks for his or her help. So if it is done at home, the teacher has a better assessment of where the child stands with regards to that particular subject.
Okay. And do you feel that the homework given by you is a lot?
No, I don't think it is a lot. I think it is adequate depending on the age of the child that the teacher gives homework, more specifically me. I would give homework with regards to depending on how much the child has been paying attention in class, depending on the particular subject or curriculum that is being covered at that point of time.
Okay. And what do you feel is the best form of homework?
The best form of homework, I would think, is research based, where the child has to read, understand and then be able to solve or do the project which has been given, rather than just question and answers, which often becomes very monotonous for a child, where they end up copying from one another rather than making their own efforts in doing the homework.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Pratik, for asking me.
This is Raj Lotlikar. He's from class 8th, and today I'm going to be talking to him about homework. Okay, Raj. So, are you happy that your teachers give you homework?
Yes.
Do you have any negative thoughts about it? Like, feel it's nice for you?
Yeah, it is nice for us.
Okay. And do you get enough time to complete your homework in the evening?
No, I don't get enough time.
What do you do in the evening?
I go for tuitions and then I go to play and then I watch TV and stuff.
Do you like doing homework?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And what do you do with 3 or 4 extra hours post school if you were not given homework?
I would go to play football or cricket or go for practices.
What kind of practices?
Cricket practices.
Okay. And do you think a child can achieve academic excellence without homework?
No. He needs.
He needs homework. Okay. And what do you consider as homework? Certain projects given by the teacher, or also studying and practicing what is done in school?
Practicing the study which is given in school.
Which is done in school?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Hello Moses. Hi. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Moses. I'm from class 8C and studying Kings.
Okay Moses, I'm going to ask you a few questions about homework and you have to answer me. So, are you happy that teachers give you homework?
Yeah, I'm pretty much happy that teachers give us homework.
And what are your thoughts about the homework given to you?
Well, I feel homework is something that we actually need after a school, after the teachers gives it in school, as we can revise it now on.
And what do you do with your free hours when you don't get homework at home?
Well, I either go for tuitions or I play.
Okay. And do you think a child can achieve academic excellence with homework?
No, I don't think
He needs homework.
he needs homework.
Okay. And what do you get enough time to complete your homework in the evening?
No, not very much. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you like doing homework?
Yeah, I like doing homework.
Okay. And what do you consider as homework? Certain projects or studying at home what is done in school?
I feel it's studying homework, studying stuff
Studying at
which is given from school. You can just study at home. You can revise it. It'll be much
Consider
better.
as a homework.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hello. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Rachel Gomes and I'm studying in the 10th standard and I'm studying in the King's School.
Okay, Rachel. So I'm going to ask you a few questions about homework,
Okay.
and I would love to hear your thoughts about it. So, do you like doing homework?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and are you happy that the teachers give you homework?
Yeah, I'm happy with the work.
What are your thoughts about the homework that the teachers give you in school?
Teachers give us homework, so that's the second time revision of what is being taught in the class and it's also helping us in academic.
Okay. And so, do you like doing homework? And do you get enough time to do homework at home?
I like doing homework but I do not get enough time to do the homework.
Okay. Why so?
Because I am busy, at home I have to practice my music, to also practice singing and there are many other works besides studies.
Alright. And do you think you can achieve academic excellence with homework?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you think about what do you feel homework is? Certain projects or studying at home what is being taught to you in school?
I feel that homework is like whatever is being taught in school is just revised again.
At home.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Rachel, for your time.